guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are unboxing the brand new iPad Pro that my dad just got today. Look, iPad Pro. Yeah, this is brand new. And yes, it even includes with a magic keyboard. Yes, it includes with a magic keyboard as well. And we're going to peel the things off, and we're going to take a close up, and my dad's going to get it out, and whoa.
Careful.
Okay, Dad. Whoa, do you see that? Whoa! Look, guys! This looks so brand new! Yes, this iPad Pro is really new compared to my other version.
Show it to Mom.
Let me let my dad show this to my mom. And later in this video, we're going to be unboxing the Magic Keyboard to the tablet, to the iPad. Hey Dad, can I open the Magic Keyboard?
Yep.
Okay, let's open it. Peel this off. Whoa! Whoa! Let's see what's inside. All right, let's see if we can get it open. Whoa! I can see it. Whoa! Check that out. Brand new Magic Keyboard. Whoa! You can barely hold this up on your iPad, which looks pretty cool. And including inside there is a USB-C cable.
Look.
Oh, okay. Yes, Dad. Yeah. Inside the box,
There you go.
it includes a USB-C cable. A USB-C cable like that. And as you all know, last week my dad bought his brand new titanium iPhone 15. His brand new titanium iPhone 15. Let's set these to the side right now. Yeah.
Here. Be very careful with it.
Okay, Dad.
Look.
How do I open
Look.
this?
Hold it. And open it.
Whoa.
Hold it like that. Now it's a computer.
Look at this, guys. It looks just like a MacBook. Hang on, let me get the camera angle to it. Look at it, guys. It looks just like a MacBook. It's compared to real MacBooks. But this one is awesome. We might get it started up later. But right now, let's wrap this video up. If you enjoyed this video, please smash the like button and subscribe. Don't forget to link in the pinned comment to turn on notifications.